Welcome to this video that provides an overview of the Microsoft Windows Server. After watching this video, you will be able to identify the key features of the Microsoft Windows Server operating system, OS. Summarize the features and functionalities of network services. Describe the features and components of security and access control in the Windows Server OS. Microsoft Windows Server is an operating system designed specifically for servers. While Windows 10 and Windows 11 focus on everyday use, Windows Server provides a platform for managing networks, storing data, running applications, and facilitating communication for businesses. Windows Server can handle multiple simultaneous connections, manage data, databases, and web services, and implement strict security measures necessary for business network environments. Windows Server also gives administrators advanced control virtualization options and the ability to grow as the organization does. The following features make Windows Server a comprehensive and reliable OS for building and managing server infrastructures: Active Directory, file and storage services, web and application platform, remote desktop services, RDS, PowerShell, Hyper-V, storage spaces, Direct S2D. Let us learn more about these features. The core feature of the Windows Server is an Active Directory, which offers a centralized system for authentication, directory services, and policy enforcement. It simplifies administration by streamlining user account creation, access control, and group policy implementation across the network. Next, Windows Server provides files and storage services tools. These tools empower administrators to create and manage file shares, control access permissions, and utilize advanced storage features like storage spaces, enhancing data storage and management capabilities. Additionally, Windows Server offers the web and application platform supported by Internet Information Services (IIS). This platform provides a secure and scalable environment for hosting and running critical web-based applications. Windows Server empowers businesses to embrace remote work models through a key feature: remote desktop services. It facilitates secure remote access to applications and desktops, enabling increased flexibility and productivity for the workforce. PowerShell, a key feature of Windows Server, is a powerful scripting and automation framework that empowers administrators to streamline workflows and manage server configurations easily. Virtualization technology plays a central role in optimizing resource utilization. Hyper-V, a feature within Windows Server, allows users to run multiple virtual machines on a single physical server, maximizing hardware efficiency and reducing costs. For businesses with ever-growing storage needs, Windows Server offers Storage Spaces Direct. This feature allows for the creation of highly scalable storage solutions by leveraging local server storage. S2D provides a cost-effective and adaptable option for managing data storage demands. Let us now learn about network services. In addition to the core functionalities, Windows Server equips organizations with a robust suite of network services designed to streamline network management and enhance security. These services play a crucial role in enabling seamless connectivity, efficient resource utilization, and secure remote access. The key features of Network Services Domain Name System (DNS), Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol (DHCP), Virtual Private Network (VPN), Remote Desktop Services (RDS). Windows Server includes DNS for converting user-friendly domain into numerical IP addresses. DNS allows users to access resources easily without needing to memorize complex IP addresses. Its functionality is fundamental for seamless navigation across the Internet and internal networks. Another key functionality is the Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, which plays a critical role in network connectivity. DHCP automatically assigns IP addresses, subnet masks, and other network configuration parameters to devices on a network. DHCP simplifies network management and reduces manual configuration for the organization. Windows Server provides VPN services that enable secure remote access to a private network over a public network infrastructure. The capability allows users to connect securely from remote locations, safeguarding the confidentiality of transmitted data and facilitating secure communication among distributed teams or remote workers. Lastly, Windows Server offers remote desktop services that provides remote management capabilities and grants access to virtual desktops and applications. It empowers administrators to manage servers remotely and allows users to access their desktop environments and applications from remote locations, promoting flexibility and productivity across the organization. Now that you're familiar with the features of network services, let's discuss security and access control in Windows Server. Security and access control in the Windows Server operating system includes a range of features and mechanisms designed to safeguard resources, data, and user identities. These elements are crucial for maintaining the integrity and confidentiality of information within a Windows Server environment. Key components of security and access control includes Windows Firewall, Active Directory Rights Management Services, ADRMS, BitLocker, Role-Based Access Control, RBAC, Remote Desktop Services, RDS. Windows Firewall acts as a first line of defense, providing software-based firewall protection to control incoming and outgoing network traffic. This helps prevent unauthorized access attempts and malicious activity. Active Directory Rights Management. Services empowers administrators with granular control over sensitive information. Active Directory RMS allows for defining and enforcing access policies, ensuring only authorized users can access and modify critical data. BitLocker in Windows Server provides an extra layer of security by offering full disk encryption for storage devices. This encryption scrambles data on the drive, rendering it inaccessible in case of unauthorized access or physical theft. Role based access control implements a granular approach to permissions and access control. RBAC allows administrators to assign permissions based on user roles or responsibilities. It ensures users only have access to the resources and functionalities they need to perform their jobs, minimizing the risk of accidental or malicious misuse. In this video, you learned that Microsoft Windows Server, an operating system designed specifically for servers, is a comprehensive and reliable OS for building and managing server infrastructure. Network services are designed to streamline network management and enhance security. The key features of network services include DNS, DHCP, VPN, and RDS. Security and access control in the Windows Server OS help to safeguard resources, data, and user identities. The key components of security and access control include Windows Firewall, Active Directory, RMS BitLocker, and RBAC.